Well, hey, happy Saturday night again. It's still Saturday evening, and I'm still working on this Gretsch Model 6161. And we're done the recap. We have replaced the filter caps and a couple of caps down in here. You can see one buried way down there and this one right here. And I am in the process of replacing that one, that one, and I already got that one done. You can barely see it down in there. How did you do that? Wow, it's amazing. Oh, I got a solder drop down there I got to grab. This thing is moving along, and we're getting close. Probably tomorrow. It's about 8:30 in the evening on Saturday night, and here I am working. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Boy, can you imagine getting at that cap down there? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Peace, y'all. Have a wonderful day.